Welcome back, everybody. Tonight I'm going to be doing meatballs. Next week I'll be making the homemade spaghetti sauce, but tonight I just am going to do the meatballs. So the first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350. And in a bowl, you're going to take a pound of hamburger. My bird. And just crumble it up. Then you're going to take an egg. And I think he wants to be on TV. And then just sprinkle breadcrumbs across, probably like a half a cup. You can also take a couple pieces of bread and soak them in milk, or you can use cornmeal. Then you're going to take about a 1/4 cup of milk. And then you're going to take about a 1/2 cup of salsa, maybe a little less. Then with your cookie sheet, I first put some bacon grease on it. And then I just sprinkle it a little. Sprinkle it a little with just some oil. And then just rub that in. Now you're just gonna mix up your meatballs. And if it gets too wet, just put in a little breadcrumb. Just work it in good. Okay, then you're gonna make these probably about the size of, maybe a racquetball ball. A little bigger than a golf ball. So about that size. And place them on your cookie sheet. And these are gonna cook for an hour. Every 15 minutes, come in and just kind of turn them around. You don't want them to stick. See how many I'm gonna get. Let's see. 2 more out of this one. But just be sure to come and turn them over every few minutes, or every 15 minutes. I'm just trying to get a little out of one to make another one. There. And set your timer for an hour. Here's your meatballs. And put them in your oven, 350. Set your timer. And then just turn every 15 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, so my first 15 minutes are up. And just kind of take a spoon and just kind of flip them around. Like so. And then just do that in another 15 minutes and so on. Don't forget to flip your meatballs around. At this time, I would like to thank all my new subscribers and everyone that's shared and liked and commented on the videos. And just thank you very much. And I will be back with the meatballs. Now that your meatballs are done, just drop them in your sauce. And if you have any leftovers, these make great meatball subs. And that's it for tonight. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.